is Norcon Rodis, and I am a junior at Indian Hill High School. Cincinnati is my home, and that day reminded me of why I love it. The city holds layers of history, character, and life. But that day, it felt especially alive, holding space for memory and family, for the stories that have unfolded. One of the most vivid stories is of my grandpa and great uncle, two of three Greek brothers who roamed the city together, leaving a quiet but lasting legacy. That sunset felt like a final farewell, a glowing tribute in the sky for them alongside their bond.